Hi, and welcome to this video on using the CSV Maker to import lifecycle inventory data from Microsoft Excel to CIMA Pro using a CSV file. This video will go through how to use the CSV Maker in Excel and how to import your CSV files into CIMA Pro. The CSV Maker is a macro stored in an Excel file that converts Excel files in a specific format to CSV files. When you want to use the CSV Maker, you need your file stored locally on your computer. Here we have created a folder on our desktop. In this folder, we have the Excel file that contains the CSV Maker macro. In this folder, we will now create a new Excel document. We can rename the file ready for CSV_LCA example. This document is empty and has only one sheet, and this sheet must be called Sheet 1 for the CSV Maker to function. We can now open our LCA model and locate the data we want to import into CIMA Pro. We will copy the entire sheet and use Paste Special and Select Values to only paste values to the empty document, as the CSV Maker will not work if your cells contain formulas. Our document is now ready for us to run the macro in the CSV Maker. You need to set up your Excel to run macros from the Developer tab. See the link in the video description for more information. You can now go to the Developer tab and press Macros. Since we have not opened the CSV Maker file, there is no macro available. Therefore, the next step is to go to our folder and open the macro file. A pop-up window will ask if you want to enable macros. Click Yes. You can now minimize this file or hide it. If we now go back to our Ready for CSV file and go to Developer, Macros, we can now see the CSV Maker macro is available. Click on Run. You will be prompted to answer the question, do you want to include uncertainties? Click on No. Now the macro will have created two files in the same folder where you have stored your Ready for CSV file. First is the CSV for import into sp.csv, which is the actual CSV file containing the data. Click on OK. The second is control file.txt, which shows a summary of the conversion process. You can keep it for your own record or delete it, as it is not needed for importing into CIMA Pro. Note that the CSV files created with the CSV Maker always have the same name. It is therefore recommended to change the file name. Otherwise, the file will be replaced if you create a second CSV file in the same location. Now you are ready to import your data into CIMA Pro. To import a CSV file into CIMA Pro, simply open CIMA Pro and the database project that you wish to import the LCI to. To import your LCI, go to File, go to Import, click on Add, and browse to find the CSV file you created with CSV Maker. Before clicking on OK, we need to select the appropriate settings for the import operation. File format should always be CIMA Pro CSV. The mapping file field we will leave empty. Under Object Link Method, select Try to link imported objects to existing objects first. Under CSV Format Separator, select semicolon. Under Other Options, select Replace existing processes with equal identifiers of product names and Skip Process Identifier. These settings only need to be selected once, and CIMA Pro will remember it for the future. Now we are ready to run the import operation. Click on OK. The Import Overview window will appear showing the number of datasets to be added or replaced in the Summary tab. This window is for information only. Click on OK and the actual import will start. When the import is finished, you can find the imported folder in the LCA Explorer. Here you can see that the processes are located under Materials, since we specified Material as the type in our Excel file. You can also see the name of the folder we chose and the subfolder which contains Process 2. You can now double-click on the processes to see what they contain and analyze them using CIMAPRO's functionalities. Now you have learned to successfully run CSV Maker and import your data into CIMAPRO for analysis. We hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.